Oh my god, the heavens have just opened. Morning, I am in central London and I am just about to go and see Toba now. Just gotta find him first. Here he is, how are you, mate? Right, this is us. We're outside King's Cross at like a cafe we've managed to sit down. They've given us menus, but clearly we're not buying anything. The time is 9:30 AM. Just to recap on the introduction to the challenge video, we're gonna go our separate ways. Toba's gonna film his journey on his channel, I'm gonna film my journey on my channel, and we're gonna meet up at King's Cross station every morning. We've got no money, no food, we've got one set of clothes, we've taken away all transportation, I've not got my skateboard, but we have decided we're allowed one luxury. So what have you picked, mate?
Skates.
It's free skates. Guess what I've picked? I had to bring another pair of boxers. We're not allowed to get a job, but we are allowed to sort of hustle. We're also allowed to do stuff in exchange for something, but we're not allowed to accept money. If I was to say wash the dishes in a pizza place for a slice of pizza, that's allowed.
Well, you can do it just once.
You can use the same method, but let's say I sneak into that Premier Inn over there for breakfast. I'm not saying I am. But I am not allowed to go back to that Premier Inn. So you're only allowed to do that thing in that place once. Mate, it's going to be interesting.
Yeah?
Mate, so what time we meeting tomorrow morning here?
Tennis court.
Tennis
For
court.
how longer?
Well, just a quick catch up, do you get me? You know, we'll recap on the last day, see how it went, go from there, mate. Right, let's go. Before you set off, do you want to check my bag? I want to check yours as well.
Oh, what's this then?
Stickers.
You sure it's not money in there?
No, you go for it. You check it, mate.
Oh, okay.
Just
Actually, I'll take one. Laptop stuff, cameras and stuff.
okay. Happy?
You got anything on you? That's all that's in there?
That's all that's in there, mate.
No wallet, nothing?
No wallet,
money?
mate. Right, your turn. Let's have a look.
There's a lot.
Jesus! Mate, that's heavier than mine. I can't wait to see this.
Listen, there's a lot in there I need to explain. Okay, skate.
Is any secret pockets?
No. There's a fan in there.
A fan?
No, listen.
What's the fan for?
This is for my laptop. Yeah, it overheats in it. So
Okay, I'll let you off with that.
Just camera gear, laptop, all that stuff.
Sweet, mate. We're all good.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Mate, have a good one. 10 o'clock, King's Cross Station. See you later, mate. And the challenge has begun. What is the plan now? Literally, I have not got any plan for today, but I do feel like I would like a coffee. So, I'm gonna pop into the nearest hotel and see if I can get a coffee first. Right, this is the closest hotel I found. Look at the state of the place. Right, bar and restaurant this way. Morning, how are you?
Morning, sir.
Is there a coffee I can take out at all? Or?
Sir, if you will go to the coffee station, they made the coffee on the other side.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much for your help. Hi, how are you? Can I get a coffee to go, please, and a takeaway cup? I was going to say, the coffee's included, right? It's not, there's no extra cost for it.
Yeah, if you go to breakfast, yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Just a cappuccino, please.
Yeah.
That'd be great. Thank you. Cheers, thank you very much, mate. Sure. Thank you. Look at this brekkie.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too, thank you. Successful coffee trip. Start as you mean to go on. Tell you what, some hotel that. I'm almost a little disappointed that I went there this morning because I could have had breakfast there, but obviously we're not allowed to go to the same place twice, so screwed up there really. Right, I've just been Googling where everything is, and the London Eye, I don't know if you can see that, is 32 minutes away. So I'm gonna head down there, check it out. I don't know, we might come across something on the way. And we are at the London Eye. I've just noticed as I'm walking down here, that there's all like these river cruises. I think they're like tours or something. I'm gonna go and check it out, see if I can get a free boat ride. Right, that's where you buy the tickets. I'm guessing this is the entrance.
Ticket, sir?
It's what, sorry?
Ticket? In the group.
What's that, sorry? Yeah, we've just gone. Cheers, thank you. I have definitely just joined this school trip over here. Let's see if I actually get on the boat. Where are you guys from? Beijing? Oh, lovely. Never been to Beijing. I'd love to go.
American.
No, I'm from the UK, from Wales.
Oh, but your accent sounds like an American accent.
My accent sounds American, does it?
Hello there.
Hey, mate, how's it going?
Watch your step.
Cheers, thank you. We have made it on the boat. We're going on a boat trip. Oh my god, happy days. Look at the London Eye off the boat. You are having a laugh. It has just started raining on the boat. There isn't room under there for me as well, is there, mate?
Are you alright?
Yeah, oh, thank you. Oh, you'll have someone else to look after. No worries. Thank you, mate.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's proper raining bad. I think I'm going to need to get a brolly this week as well. Right, we are now moving. Let's see where we end up. Nice to meet you, mate. You have a good holiday. See you later. Bye.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you very much.
Well, I didn't think I'd be going on a boat today. Hopefully, I'm not going to get asked for a ticket as I'm leaving. I don't think I will, but fingers crossed. I don't think I can see anybody. I think we're going to be good. Happy days, all done. Just left the port now. So I've decided to get off at the Tower of London, just go and check it out. I don't think it's too far from the centre. I think it's a couple of bridges down, so we're still in walking distance of where we got on. Hey, how are you, mate? Thank you. Sweet. I was going to say, I've got some stickers in my bag. You can grab some if you want me. There you go, mate.
Thank you.
No worries. Lovely to meet you anyway. Nice to meet you. Have a good day. See you later. I absolutely love meeting people who watch the videos on my travels. And just to let you know, I have got loads of stickers on me. So if you do see me walking around, give me a nudge and you can get some free stickers. Oh my God, the heavens have just opened. For everybody who's watching this vlog who doesn't live in the UK, this is like true British weather. Look at the state of this. I think I'm going to have to get a brolly from somewhere, I don't know how. I'm going to have to hustle a brolly. Right, the worst of the weather has passed, but as you can see the brolly's still up, it's still raining. So I'm going to try and find a coffee shop, maybe a Starbucks somewhere close, do some work, find out where I'm sleeping tonight, get on Tinder, Bumble, couchsurfing, and see where we go from there. And I have just had a brainwave. I don't know if you remember, I did a hack with Starbucks where you can get a refill coffee for 50 cents. But in the UK, I am almost certain you can get a free refill. It's not 50 cents. If this works, that'll be perfect. Right, let's give this a go. Hi, how are you? I mean, you can get the refill, can't you, for the coffee?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Can I just have a coffee refill, please?
Small, medium?
It's free, isn't it, the refill?
Yes.
It is, okay. A medium, that'd be great. Thank you. Thank you very much for that. Thank you. Thanks very much. Thank you. See you later, thanks. Right, so to update you on a few things, I have just left the Tower Bridge area, which is behind me just over there. While I was in Starbucks, I went on my phone, Tinder, Bumble, Facebook groups, couchsurfing as well. Everybody literally declined me on couchsurfing. Brilliant. I've had no luck on Tinder, speaking to a few people on Bumble, and I've got like pending requests on Facebook that I'm waiting for, so there's nothing sorted for tonight yet, which is not good. Also, the time is currently 5:13 PM and I haven't eaten at all today. Definitely feeling the hunger now, so I need to eat. That's my next plan. According to my Google, there's a Mackey's just down here. I'm just gonna go straight in. I'm not gonna bother ringing him up. I'm just gonna see what I'm dealing with. I really hope this works. excuse me. I'm missing a double cheeseburger with my order.
You missed me.
Yeah, I'm missing a double cheeseburger. Thank you. Ah, that's great. Cheers. Thanks very much. No problem. Thanks. That should keep me going, so we're all good. I need to take that back. This is definitely not going to keep me going. I'm halfway through it and I'm hungrier now than I was when I started it. Now I'm just walking back into like the city centre, into the thick of it, because obviously getting the boat took me that way towards Tower Bridge. So I'm just walking back into the centre. I really don't know what to do tonight. No one's coming good. Obviously it's still early and I've still got time, but the odds are that I'm just going to go in a hotel reception or something. So I'm going to go to a Starbucks, get some water, do some more work on my phone and see where we go from there. Right, I have just come out of Starbucks. Let me give you an update. No luck on Tinder, no luck on Bumble. Everybody declined me on Couchsurfing. No luck on Facebook group. Which leaves two options. I either sleep on the street or I find a hotel to hide in or go into the reception. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with the hotel idea. It's just a case of finding a hotel. I'm just walking down the road and there's quite a few homeless people here. I don't know if it's like a soup kitchen. I'm gonna go and check it out. Excuse me, is this like a soup kitchen, is it? Or I was going to say, is there any way of like volunteering or something like that?
Absolutely. We come up Monday, Wednesday and Friday. If you let me know when you're available,
Okay.
I'll send one less person. We'll start with 4 loaves of bread and the fillings, ham and cheese,
Yeah.
coffee, tea.
So you've started this all
Yeah.
yourself?
And,
Because there must be a fair few
We
people
feed
here.
80 people every time we come.
That's awesome.
You and me are 1 or 2 bills or a deal away from the floor.
Yeah, mate.
All of us are, yeah?
Yeah.
So don't fucking look down on
No,
people,
mate,
you know what I
mate,
mean?
I'm with you on
I'm
that
not-
one.
yeah?
Even
Because-
if you need any help Wednesday, mate, honestly, I don't mind chipping in. Like, if
Yeah,
you,
Nigel's here Wednesday. See Mikhail there?
yeah.
He'll be here.
Hiya, mate, how are you? You alright? How are you, mate? Okay, Simon, Chris.
You used to be here.
No, we used to in the park.
So it's hard in the park, is it like this?
It's harder, but it's
Ah,
safe.
okay.
One of the biggest problems that you get here is their sleep. People come along and kick your head in for fun. That's why it's not safe out here at night.
Yeah, that's brutal.
Every one of these people will tell you of either themselves or someone they know that happened to.
It's better to go to the park, but
Yeah.
park is a bit colder, yeah?
Yeah, that's it. I appreciate that, Chris. Thanks very much for the
if you're
advice, mate.
welcome.
Wahid, thank you so much,
Take care of
mate.
yourself.
Mate, what you're doing is amazing. I'll be here on Wednesday. You have a good one, mate. See you later. Wow. Honestly, wow. He has literally just fed 80 people and watered 80 people on £45 tonight, and he does that every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Honestly, I am very rarely speechless, but he's blown my head. Well, I'll be back there at Wednesday at 8:30 volunteering 100%. Right, I just need to find a hotel now so I can potentially sleep there and obviously get this vlog done. Right, I've just got into Leicester Square and there's a Radisson Blu here. I'm gonna give this a go. It looks quite posh like.
What's your room number? If you tell me your room number, then I can help you.
Yeah, that hotel's not happening. He is on it. The thing is now, I am literally in Leicester Square and there's like 5 hotels that I saw sort of like dotted around the square, so one of them's got to come good surely. Right, there's a Premier in here. Let's try this. Hi, how are you? There's nowhere here and the hotel's too small. The only place there is reception and there's like 2 people there, so that ain't happening. Right, let's try option 3. Right, we're going to the rooftop terrace, whatever's up there. Right, well there's definitely nowhere to sleep up here, but there is a ridiculous view. Check this out. Doesn't really do it much justice on the camera, to be honest. Right, option 3's down. Let's go to option 4. It turns out that option 4 is actually the last option in Leicester Square, and it's the poshest, the W Hotel. Let's give this a go. Right, so you need a key card to get in the lift to go places, and obviously because it's like gone midnight, there's nobody here, so I'm going to the only floor I can. Right, what's this way? I've ended up sitting by the computer just over here in the corner. I'm gonna end the vlog there. Oh, you could literally be at this all night. I'll keep you posted if anything changes. Thank you so much for all the comments, all the messages, and it honestly means more than you know. And if you could drop a like and a comment on this video, that helps me. So thank you so much. I'm gonna try and get some sleep, but thank you again, and I'll see you tomorrow.